What's up guys, back with another video. This is TopTechGuides. I am here to discuss a product. I am not sponsoring it in any form or way. This product is overall just amazing. It is $20 and it is called an 8bitdo. So it's a wireless Bluetooth adapter that lets you connect your Xbox One, your PS4, PS3, Wiimote, Wii U Pro, and many other controllers, and you can connect them to your Nintendo Switch, your Windows, Mac, or Raspberry Pi. Now, how it does it is that basically it's the same thing. You sync up the controller up with 8bitdo's device. Once you sync it up, then everything starts working pretty fine. It's pretty cool because of the fact that this program or this little adapter is very small, and yet it can hold all that support um, with it. It's just overall like mind blowing that you can use a Xbox One controller now on a Nintendo Switch or Xbox One on a PC, Mac, or Raspberry Pi. Now, if you want to buy this product, it is at Amazon and you can get it for $20. Free shipping if you have Amazon Prime, so you can get it within 2 days, which is absolutely awesome. But if you do plan on getting this product, make sure you update it to the latest firmware in order to get the full benefits off of it, because if you do not, you will not get the full benefits, obviously. But anyways, guys, hit with the like and the subscribe button. If you want to go ahead and check out this product, go in the description bar. I am not sponsoring it in any way, as usual. I will see you guys in the next one.